Let's see how Excel to Tally software is a cost-effective solution for small businesses. Excel to Tally is a software that helps small businesses seamlessly transfer data from Excel spreadsheets to Tally, a popular accounting software. This is a cost-effective solution for small businesses as it helps them save time and effort in manually entering data into Tally. One of the main advantages of using Excel to Tally is that it eliminates the need for manual data entry, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. With this software, businesses can simply export their Excel data and import it into Tally with a few clicks, ensuring accuracy and saving time. Another benefit of using Excel to Tally is that it helps businesses keep their accounting records organized and up to date. By automating the data entry process, businesses can easily track and manage their financial transactions, leading to better decision-making and improved efficiency. In addition to these benefits, Excel to Tally is also a cost-effective solution for small businesses as it is affordable and easy to use. The software is user-friendly and requires minimal training, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Overall, Excel to Tally is a valuable tool for small businesses looking to streamline their accounting processes and save time and effort. It is a cost-effective solution that helps businesses keep their financial records organized and accurate, leading to improved efficiency and decision-making. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.